Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Chevrolet Cruze headlight bulb. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a new H13 headlight bulb, which serves as both your high and low beam, and a flathead screwdriver. It's also a good idea to wear clean gloves to prevent oils from your skin from touching the new bulb. Make sure your car is off and the engine is cool before you begin, then open and secure the hood. Now, let's access the old bulb. Under the hood, look behind the headlight assembly. You'll see the electrical connector plugged into the back of the bulb socket. Gently twist the entire bulb socket counterclockwise, usually about 30 degrees, until it loosens. Once it's loose, carefully pull the socket and the attached bulb straight out from the headlight housing. Take your time to avoid damaging any wires or clips. With the old bulb exposed, it's time for replacement. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb by pressing the small release tab and pulling it apart. Remove the old bulb. Sometimes a rubber gasket might stick to the housing, so ensure it's removed. Now, carefully insert your new H13 bulb into the electrical connector, making sure it clicks securely into place. Remember, never touch the glass of the new bulb. Finally, let's put everything back together and test it. Carefully align the new bulb's 3 tabs with the corresponding slots in the headlight assembly. Push the bulb in and twist it clockwise about 30 degrees until it locks securely. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it's fully seated and clicks. Close your hood, then turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. You've successfully changed your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.